Welcome to Srikanta's astrology channel in English. This is an example chart which I took it for illustration. Here we have got Lagna and 9 planets are available with the degrees, and there another 13 I added. These things actually normally most of the astrologers are not taking into consideration, but this will have a lot of impact on our life. So that's why I concentrated on this. And there are 13 upagrahas to these planets, 9 planets. I'll show you. So these are the Dhuma for Mars, Vetipada for Rahu, Parivesha for Moon, Indrachapa for Venus, Upaketu for Ketu, Sun Kala, Paridhi Moon, Mrityu Mars, Ardhapahara Mercury, Yamagantaka Jupiter, Kodanda Venus, Gulika Mandi for Saturn. So these are the subplanets which actually will come along with other planets, and they will have a lot of impact on our life depending on the position of the these 13 upagrahas. So it will, some places, some zodiac signs will get very good result, and some zodiac signs will get very big damage to our life. So that's why we want to take care of all these things, and how this is going to affect also, just I want to show you. So I entered all these things, and this has got separate calculation. I did it calculation and entered here. So now the chart is actually this Lagna, this, Sukra is in 12th, Venus, and Moon and Jupiter is in 5th, and Mercury is in 10th for this Lagna. If Gulika is not there, this has got very bad effect on this person. He should have lost the track of the life with bad habits and all. And this Mercury is combusted because of sun, and here this is a 10th profession, so he should not have any job or income. And here moon is debilitated, and Jupiter is there, and sun is seeing these things, so here also should not have been any development. But luckily Gulika has here available in 11th place of this Lagna, which gives enormous luck to this person. And here Gulika will see second, 7th and 12th. So second means it is the 12th position, and 7th means this is 5th position, and 12th means that is the 10th position for this Lagna. So 10th profession has got upgraded, and here total children settled, well settled in foreign countries. And here Sukra, because this Gulika is saying, and he earned money, and he visited number of times to foreign countries to visit their children. So that means Gulika has uplifted the entire the Jataka of this person, and that's why those other things also I made an entry here. All the things will not give good effect on us. Some are good and some are bad. Which are good and which are bad, we have to know, means we should have calculation of degrees and how it is going to affect, and which zodiac sign it will give effect. For that purpose I made an entry, and here how I calculated also I will come with in some other video. And in which zodiac sign from Lagna, these things will give good effect on us and bad effect on us. And bad effect is there, then what is the remedy for that? That is also, it is possible to know, we can avoid those bad effects by doing some remedies. So in the, for that purpose I entered all 13 here for this, and I showed you this Gulika, how it has uplifted the chart. Entire total change has come in for forward direction, and he benefited like anything because of this Gulika. So that means other planets also, the subplanets also might have benefited, or some damage has come on some other issue. So those things also we should calculate. So for that purpose I kept this one, and this calculation and all I'll come with some other video. And if you are liking, please subscribe and press bell icon.